Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a WhatsApp contact in just a few taps. First, open WhatsApp on your device and go to the chat of the contact that you want to delete. Once the chat opens, tap on the contact's name at the top of the screen to open the contact information page. Here, look at the top right corner and tap on the 3 vertical dots. Now tap on the Edit option. To delete the contact, tap on the 3 vertical dots again, then tap on Delete Contact. A confirmation message will appear saying that this action will delete the contact from WhatsApp. Tap Delete again to confirm. After deleting the contact, you might still see the phone number in WhatsApp if the chat conversation still exists. If you want to remove it completely, you can also delete the chat from your chat list. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tips and tutorials.